Need to switch between multiple homes in Crestron Home? No problem. Let's see how easy it is. Here, we're at our beach house interface, but it's time to head back to our main residence. Just tap the ellipses in the corner. Now, select My Systems and choose My House. Just like that, you're connected to your other home. Switching between homes is seamless, keeping all your systems in sync, no matter where you are. That's how simple it is to switch between homes in Crestron Home. And no matter how you control your Crestron Home, phone, tablet, or touch panel, you'll always have the same familiar experience. For more tips, check out the Crestron Home Quick Start Guide.